Meaning of enchanted.
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 Enchanted. The word enchanted refers to a feeling of great pleasure and delight, often associated with something magical or mystical. It can be used to describe a sense of wonder and awe, as well as a feeling of being under a spell or bewitched by something or someone. When one is enchanted, they may feel captivated, charmed, and entranced. The result of being enchanted is a feeling of blissful joy and fascination that can be both uplifting and serene, leaving one feeling entranced and transported to another world.